Can you really fit a three-bedroom duplex in a 250 square meter plot of land and still have room to park two cars? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. Stay with me. In today's market, land is getting smaller and more expensive, especially in prime locations. But a small plot doesn't mean you have to compromise on your dream home. Hello and welcome back to Stand. I'm your favorite realtor, Sandra Ajayi, and I educate real estate investors on things they need to know before investing. You should watch this video through to the end because today I'll be explaining how possible it is to build a three-bedroom duplex on a 250 square meters plot of land. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to maximize a 250 square meter space for functionality, style, and parking. The number one secret is to build up, not out. The biggest mistake people make is trying to spread the house across the land. When you have a small plot, your best friend is its vertical design. By keeping the ground floor footprint compact, around 90 to 100 square meters, you leave plenty of room for your compound. Think of it like this: the smaller the ground floor, the bigger your parking lot. The smart parking solution. To fit two cars comfortably, you need about 30 square meters of dedicated space. The best way to do this is to push the building towards the back or to one side of the plot. This creates an open L shape or C shape in the front. Another pro tip is using the cantilever design. This is where the upper floor sticks out a bit over the ground floor, acting as a built-in roof for your cars. It's stylish and saves space. The second secret is your interior layout. Inside, you want to avoid choppy rooms. Go for an open plan living and dining area. This makes the house feel much larger than it actually is. If you put all three bedrooms on the top floor, you save even more space on the ground level for your kitchen, guest toilet, and that all important parking space. The final straw: regulation planning. Before you dig, always check your local building code. Every area has setback rules, which is the mandatory distance between your house and the fence. A good architect will help you navigate this road so you don't get a fine or a demolition later. So in conclusion, building on a 250 square meter is all about smart planning. With a vertical design and an open floor plan, you can have your three-bedroom, a beautiful living space, and room for two cars without feeling cramped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more building tips and real estate insights. I'll see you in the next one. I may your favorite real estate. Have a night.